right, so we're back building the she shed. Like we were waiting for our permit before we got any further. It's very important that you go and check with your town to see what the requirements are. I know in the state of Massachusetts it says that anything under 200 square feet, a permit is not needed, but each town can vary. So we had to get a permit from the town. We had to file paperwork with DigSafe, and we had to file paperwork with the Conservation Commission, the Board of Health, because we have a septic system, all for a shed. So we finally got that paperwork done. I mean, they're not even open per se, only by appointment. So it took some time, and it was a little bit of an expense that we didn't expect. But just if you decide to build anything like this, they're gonna best check with your town to see what permits are needed. Anyway, we're gonna continue on with the floor and then hopefully the walls. All right, talk to you soon.